It is Monday, January 28th. It's time for another Microsoft Monday News coming right up. Alright, first piece of news for Microsoft Monday. Microsoft's Chrome OS competitor Windows Lite, sounds like a beer, could ditch live tiles, streamline the start menu. I wasn't really aware that Chrome OS had a major competitor. Chromebooks have been selling very well if you haven't noticed. But yeah, let me know about this. I'm not so sure about Windows Lite. Well, this is certainly a piece of good news. Microsoft tries to solve affordable housing crisis with a $500 million trust. Nice. It says here that Microsoft is trying to build a more inclusive Seattle with a $500 million cash injection into the city's affordable housing projects. The tech giant created a $475 million trust to support the creation of middle-income housing, along with $25 million donation to address homelessness. Microsoft, I think that is awesome. It's too bad you couldn't make Windows 10 just as awesome. Well, in this piece of news, Microsoft helps self-driving cars know its limitations. Let's just hope that the cars don't do a massive install reboot right in the middle of a traffic jam, right? And finally, a Windows 10 warning. We've talked about this briefly before, but it says here Microsoft reveals major update news for PC fans. Basically, coming up in the next major update, if you haven't seen this already, something called the reserve storage feature. You will need an extra 7 gigs, to ensure that your machine will receive and install updates, apparently. You know, if you have an older machine with a lower capacity hard drive, this is certainly going to be a problem. So just keep in mind if you have a machine with not enough storage capacity. Finally, this is the last year that Windows 7 will receive official free supported updates. So you will have to do something, either upgrade to Windows 10, if that's an option, buy a Mac machine, or consider Linux. Why not join us for the next Ubuntu show, and we'll talk about the possibility of a universal, global, hopefully, national Linux desktop, at least here in the States, featuring the great Ubuntu desktop. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.